Got some Steelcase zinc-coated 9mm ammo in bulk. Let's see if it's fire or it's just trash. Will it run through a Springfield Echelon? Testing it out in the Glock 48. So far, one light primer strike, which frankly speaking, I don't know if this would be considered light at all, but one malfunction so far. We don't like wasting ammo, so let's try shooting that light primer strike one more time. Good shot. And of course, it's got to work through a Glock 17, right? Final rounds for the evening. Let's go. What can I say? It's working. I'm gonna buy more.